This is the Type 65 Coupe from Factory 5, and I am beginning to put the front end on. I think I finally have things mostly set up at this point. At least nothing has been cut, nothing has been body worked, but the rough stuff, the fitting, I think is mostly there. Thanks to the help with lots of people on the forum. This, what I did, I didn't tighten up the hinges right away because I thought I would leave them loose. So I tightened those. That was the first big step. Then I put the locators in as people recommended, doing that first. And then I had the struts out, and I put the struts back in. Now it closes with the struts, and this is the gap that I'm getting. I have a little bit of a C-clamp on here to help hold this in, but you can see that's where it will be when this is latched like that. And then I can open up the gap to make it fit. But that looks pretty good. And come on over here, Mr. Nolan. Sort of go along there. You can see on this side, on the passenger side, it fits pretty well. It's not exactly symmetrical, but it's pretty darn close. Then when we get to the driver's side, with the struts installed, I also put a brace. Here, Nolan, go under there. There's that piece of aluminum that someone else did. It helped eliminate a little bit of the flex I was getting, and I think that helped out. But if it didn't, well, it's another way to cover my bases. This is a little more of a gap than I'd like, but this can be body worked, and I moved the body up as far forward as it would go, and it's just not changing a whole lot. This is again with the struts. You can see that with the locator pins, once it has the latch down in this area, it's going to be pretty nice. And you can see the beginnings of the interior. I've already got that mocked up. And I go up a little more, dude. And there's a fill piece I'm going to have it's going to cap over this. It's going to hide all the bolts in the end. So yeah, that's where I'm at. Thanks everyone.